Hey traders, Jason with Day Train Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. So this video, I'm going to go over a price analysis chart of Zombie Inu for January 19th, 2022, Wednesday. Also, I'm going to go over the Zombie Inu with Ethereum, but also with the Binance wrap, so we could kind of see what's going on with both charts. As the charts kind of look a little different, but usually trade in tandem. Also, some quick news, Zombie Inu is going to be on Polygon within the next couple days. I believe it comes out Friday, where you'll be able to actually buy it via the Polygon chain. So kind of big deal if you do use a Polygon and things like that. So, as you guys know, I'm going to give it to you guys straight out. If it's your first time seeing one of these videos, I am a long-term holder. I am not paid by Zombie. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. So these are just my own opinions. None of this is trade advice. I'm just some dude on YouTube doing chart analysis and telling you what my thoughts are. But with that being said, I am a long-term holder. I've owned it since early December. I actually bought some more. I love the project. I'm not here to pump it. I'm here to kind of just say, hey, I really like what they're doing as a community. I think they're very transparent and things like that. So, with that being said, let's take a look. So the last time I talked, I said we were actually in the midst of a head and shoulders. And I actually said, if we fail, okay, here's our head and shoulders. And I said this was our neckline, that if we failed, we could potentially get down to the 6th level down here. I said, watch the 10 level for a bounce, okay, because it was this support level right here, which was kind of, if you think about that, your first level of resistance, or sorry, support on the way down. Came down to a bounce. I then said, watch for this low, like around the 8. Again, all this is verifiable. Not trying to tell you after the fact. Go look in my previous video. And then I said, I'm looking for this to potentially get down to the 6 because of this head and shoulders. If you flip that over, that would be essentially the ultimate target. I personally hope we go down to 6. A lot of you guys are probably booing me right now, but I want to buy more. And of course, I want to buy at cheaper levels before it goes higher, because I do believe in the project. With all of this being said, I am going to say I do love what's going on right now. And the reason I say that is because think of it this way, right? One of the things that's happening is we are building massive consolidation. I think this is kind of our major level. Actually, I want to know something. Even we'll use even down here, right? We'll use all this stuff down here. This is major consolidation. And all that we're really doing right now, in my eyes, is we're just going up, going down, and then as kind of came here, went back up, and we are just on our way back down from this move over. I do not like trading. I hate these charts. So, but with that being said, this is all consolidation. I like this. I hope we do this for at least another couple months. I'll tell you guys another reason why I love this is because of the reflections, right? Every time other people buy, when you're a long-term holder, every time there are purchases, we as holders get reflections or more tokens. Well, I'd rather get a lot more tokens at these lower levels than let it go than for it to go up and get less and less tokens, right? Or get tokens at worse prices, right? I'd rather try and get as many as I can. With that being said, I think this could go on for maybe another couple weeks, another month or two. I would not be surprised. But again, I'm still watching the 6 level. That is my first ultimate target. My second ultimate target would be around the 3 level. Now, if you're day trading, and part of this, I'm not gonna lie, I have my long-term stuff, but I am also starting to buy again, but in another wallet for my short-term, right? Where if I could start to buy big chunks down here at 3, 4, 5, and we rally 100 or 200%, yeah, I'll take a little bit off. I'll take profits, right? Because then that helps me with my original cost basis to hopefully, if we could get down here, I could buy enough, right? We'll say double up my position, get 100 or 200%. That pays for my entire first position. And now it's a risk-free trade. And now I have infinite returns. If you don't know what infinite returns are, it's essentially when you have $0 in the deal, everything that goes higher, it's not a 1x, 5x, it's just infinite returns, right? So that's what's going on there. But look at this, right? Nice, clean head and shoulders. We're breaking down. It's a very nice, slow kind of grind lower. With that being said, if we just draw this right here, okay, I know I kind of messed up this chart. Let's kind of get rid of a few of these things right here. But if we draw this chart, very similar to this, we do have a falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern, right? I still think we have another little bit ways. Like I said, this 6, all I did was connect it. I'm not doing anything magical, right? Just connecting the lows from the highs, right? Well, guess what? If price falls and we come down to the 6th level, wow, look where we end up right here, right? So this is why I love that level. Where I think, and if we take this head and shoulders, we flip it over the ultimate target from 12 to 20, flip that over, drops us off right around 12 minus 8 is about 4, 5, 6, somewhere around there. So that's it for the that was the Ethereum side. As far as the Binance side, which I do like too, because Binance were able to buy a lot cheaper, right? Not have to pay all the crazy gas fees. We did have the head and shoulders. It wasn't as clean, but one of the things that we have right now is is a nice falling wedge here too, right? So let's go here. Let's drag this over here. And let's now drag this. Now, this is more of a channel versus a falling wedge, right? It still is a falling wedge, but it's more of a channel. If we could roll back down, get back down here around the 6th level, it would kind of meet up here. We're at this support level here, which I actually think we're going to fail. I think we're still going lower. I'm on the Binance side, my ultimate target's probably going to be about 5 on the Binance. Right now we're at 8. So again, come down here, please bring it back up the truck so I could double up my position, and then on the bounce, take profits and kind of day trade one side of it. So again, none of this is, don't think that I don't love Zombie. I do love it. I'm just a technical chart analysis. That's what I do in the stock market. And I think I'm really good at it, and I've been dead right with this call of the head and shoulders for the past few weeks. And I'm not trying to brag, but I'm just saying trade what the charts tell us, not what people put on Twitter, things like that. Price goes up, price goes down. When crypto gets hit, stock market gets hit, everything gets hit. Okay, it's just the way the markets work. Things don't go up forever, but use those buybacks as buying opportunities. So hopefully that helps, guys. I don't want to make this too long, but as always, thank you for watching my videos. If you guys have any comments, anything like that, leave them down below in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.